Hey y'all, ready for a quick dish that will wow your friends and make them think you're a gourmet chef? Well, I got the dish for you. With this amazing Italian meatball and vodka sauce with edamame noodle medley. We have this awesome meatball with vodka sauce with edamame noodle medley. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna put just a splash of olive oil. Like that. And then I'm gonna add some kosher salt. So to bring it to a nice boil. So we're gonna add some edamame noodles here, and they're very thin. So we add some boiling water. And we're gonna cook these probably just a few minutes, y'all. And after these are done, we're gonna plate it with some vodka sauce and some meatballs. So now we're gonna throw in some shredded carrots into the olive oil and butter and sea salt mixture. So this is gonna just go in. We're gonna just dump the whole thing. And we are gonna stir that around and let that get a little soft. So now we're going to add a little bit of salt, y'all, just not too much, but we're going to add some salt to give that some flavor. And then we're going to add some fresh arugula and let that like kind of wilt a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to add some vodka sauce. It's charred, but it's delicious. And it'll go awesome with the meatballs and the edamame spaghetti. Some butter, olive oil, butter, sea salt, like that. And just kind of mix it around and then let that sit and melt. And if you need to, you can add some pasta water, but I don't think we're gonna need this because these are really thin noodles and it's just gonna be good. So our noodles are ready, and so is our carrots and arugula. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this mixture into the noodles. It's gonna give it some beautiful color. And then we're gonna like toss this together. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna line this pan with some foil, and I'm gonna use some extra virgin olive oil to spray in the bottom so they won't stick. And I'm gonna put the meatballs in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes and then turn them and do another 15 minutes, maybe less. You have to eyeball these guys. So right here we have cooked these for 10 minutes. So we're gonna turn them and we're gonna brown them on each side, and then we're gonna pull them out and let them rest a little bit. Okay guys, so we are taking the meatballs out, and they're perfect, by the way. We did like about 10 minutes on each side, but you know, every oven's different, so you have to just kind of watch them. So we're gonna plate this with the edamame noodles and the vodka sauce and some fresh Parmesan cheese. So stay tuned. Okay, so we have plated the meatballs with the noodles, and now we are ready for the final touch, which is fresh grated Parmesan cheese. So this is going to be gorgeous and pleasing to the palate. Isn't that beautiful? Put a little on there. Maybe some. A little touch. There we go. Awesome. So we have our food plated. We have this awesome meatball with vodka sauce. So we're going to go ahead and cut into this, and we're going to taste it. Oh my gosh, so tender. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. So what I'm gonna do now is put it with those noodles, and I'm gonna taste this guy. So we're gonna take a bite of this awesome meatball with vodka and edamame spaghetti with carrots. So let's see here, I'm gonna just swirl this around. Wow. Delicious. This is a Prosecco. This is awesome to go with any dish, but I'm using this with our meatballs. But also a good wine to go with this is a red wine, or a light red wine. You can do a Merlot. You can also do a Cab, or you can also do a Pinot Grigio, which is a white wine, or a Sauvignon Blanc. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's our little secret.